Welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. Today I'm taking these dragon fruit and turning them into what I call
Jurassic Gelato.
So stick around, because this is a treat everyone will enjoy. I love when dragon fruit are in season because I like to turn them into this tasty frozen treat just about everybody loves. And when you're looking for dragon fruit, don't be worried about these brown ends. That's where the flower was. And so that's normal for them to look like that. And so now I'm gonna slice it up and show you how I turn it into that tasty frozen treat. We're gonna cut off the top of that flower stalk there. And then we're just gonna score it, about 2 inches from the bottom. Just score the skin. As even as you can. Like that. And then I like to score it again down the side. Go to the opposite side. And then just peel off that skin. Just like that. These guys are what you really look for. These are the sweetest of the available dragon fruit, the yellow guys. So this is what you covet. And what you also want to look for, most of the time when they harvest the dragon fruit, they cut it from the cactus. And so these don't have as much cactus as I would like, as like a handle, but look for as much cactus there as you can, because that will be your handle later on. That's all there is to it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put them in a ziplock bag. And we're going to stick those in the freezer for at least 4 hours. You can make these overnight and freeze them overnight, but they'll be a little more hard than they should be, and you just leave them on the counter to the desired texture you like, and then they'll be ready to go. But normally I just like to do 4 hours to get that perfect texture. Our Jurassic Gelato has been in the freezer 4 hours, and now it's ready to try. And you can see that the bottom, the way I cut it, acts like a cone, and you can see that if you can get it with that little bit of extra cactus going on in there, that would act like a handle. And I wasn't lucky enough to get that this time, but in the past I've gotten those and it makes it really nice. But this is your little cone and your gelato, that I like to call it, and it won't drip and kids love it. And the yellow one especially is the sweetest, so that's what you really want to look for. And so now I'm going to give it a bite. It's wonderful, people. You need to try it. Your kids will ask for seconds. And if you want, like I said earlier, you can leave it in overnight to make it extra frozen. Just depends how you like it. But it's wonderful. Try it and enjoy. Dragon fruit makes a delightful dessert. It's nutritious and delicious. Low calorie, high fiber, and high yum. Try some soon. And remember, if it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy certified.